morning, everyone. This is truly an honor to be in a room filled with some of the most influential, innovative, and forward-thinking professionals. The most exciting part about this room is not that what we have achieved individually, but what our industry can achieve collectively. Today, we have leaders who have shaped the industry, the leaders who are shaping it now, and the leaders who will define its future. And I would like to thank Print Week India for bringing these voices together and giving me an opportunity to come and speak in front of all of you. So every industry evolves when someone challenges a process that has been established for decades, particularly for raffia bags or woven sack. These are traditional workhorses of our Indian agricultural and industrial sector. These categories fall into two things. First is coated woven sack, where a woven fabric is coated with a polymer film, and the surface printing is done above it, either with flexography or rotogravure printing. While this is economical, but the surface is rough, so the graphics are dull, and the mechanical, chemical, and barrier properties are compromised. And the second is premium laminated BOPP woven sack, where the construction involves reverse printing on BOPP film to provide high gloss and premium finish, and the ink is protected because the reverse printing is done. Now, until now, this has been an exclusive domain of rotogravure printing. This is the benchmark, the default choice, and often the only choice. But today, we are seeing something remarkable. Flexography is not merely entering the space, but it is redefining and proving that it can compete, perform, and create value in ways which were difficult to imagine before. So today the question is no longer if Flexo can do it, the question is how far Flexo can take it. Today what I have with me may look like a regular BOPP woven sack, but what makes it special is the way it was produced. So before I explain any further, may I now request our volunteers to please distribute the samples with the audience so that they can have a closer look at it. So this is a sample which was jointly developed by my organization, Flexure Print N Pack, and Navarang Machinery Private Limited. So the printing process was carried out in my premises on a central impression flexographic printing press, and then later subsequently laminated on an extrusion coating and lamination machine, and the converting was done on again the Navarang Machinery's converting machine. Now this is the first sample that has been produced with flexographic printing technology. Rotogravure process, the samples can be produced because there are no challenges, but with flexography, this is the first sample that we have produced. In fact, this was produced during Plast India 2026 and displayed on the booth of Navarang Machinery Private Limited. So today I am not just showing you a sample, but I am showing you the beginning of the new possibilities for woven sack packaging market, bringing the benefits of modern flexography to a packaging sector which was dominated by rotogravure printing technology. So now the question arises, why has the rotogravure, the woven sack industry relied for so many years with rotogravure printing and not flexo? So the answer to this question lies in certain technical challenges that the industry had faced. So these technical challenges stemmed from material science, chemistry, and the bonding methodology. You have to bond 3 different materials, and then you can make a woven sack. The ink which sits on the inner surface of the BOPP during the reverse printing sits precisely at the interface where the bonding must occur. And that is where the process either succeeds or fails. With the strong permanent bond, we can have a bag which can survive the rigors of filling, stacking, transportation, or drop testing. But if the bond fails, you can have a bag, or let's say if the bond fails, delamination becomes inevitable for commercial and reputational liability. And this is what we have proven by producing this sample. So this is, again, as I'm saying, this is produced with flexographic printing technology. But what makes this achievement even more special is the level of print quality that has been achieved. So this sample was printed at 175 lines per inch of print resolution. You can see, delivering fine details, stable highlight dot production, smooth gradients, smooth tonal transitions, controlled dot gain, and sharp and text clarity. For our industry, this highlights even something more important. This demonstrates that innovation is not always about creating a new product, but sometimes innovation is about rethinking the established practices and proving that there is another way to achieve the same objective with better benefits. But hold on. In printing business, sometimes we say that just because you can do it doesn't mean that you should do it. In other words, technical achievement alone is not enough. Technical achievement, or let's say technical innovation, must create real value for the clients and the business. And that is why this development is very exciting. Because beyond technical merits, the shift from rotogravure to flexo printing technology for woven sacks carries a very strong financial argument which is difficult to ignore. So let us try to understand this with an example. For example, if the brand owner wanted a woven sack to be printed with rotogravure printing process, they had to invest heavily in the cylinders. Typically for 8-color design, this would cost them several lakhs of rupees even before a single bag is produced or the production can begin. So this means, or let's say this naturally means that the brand owner had to order large quantities, or let's say had to maintain minimum large inventories, as well as they would have very little flexibility whenever the design change is required. For the case of flexo, this is a completely different scenario, because the pre-press investment, or let's say the printing plate investment, is just a fraction of the investment of a gravure cylinder. And with this, the brand owner can introduce multiple designs, launch multiple SKUs, create regional variations, and run seasonal promotions with very little investment. Even the time to market with flexo process is very less when we compare with gravure. So there are many benefits. The brand owner makes money and the brand owner saves money. So this is not just a shift from rotogravure to flexo. This is a shift towards smarter packaging economics. With this, I would like to conclude, and let us continue to raise the standards of our industry, challenge ourselves, and inspire the next generation of leaders. Thank you very much, Printweek, for giving this opportunity, and my sincere gratitude. Thank you.